how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Before starting our next lesson, students, do you like traveling? क्या आपको यात्रा करना पसंद है? The writer विक्रम सेठ enjoys it very much. जो इस चैप्टर के राइटर है विक्रम सेठ, उन्हें बहुत पसंद है, वो बहुत इंजॉय करते हैं. In his book Heaven Lake, he describes a long journey from China to India via Tibet and Nepal. तो उन्होंने अपनी किताब हेवन लेक में डिस्क्राइब की है अपनी लंबी यात्रा के बारे में, जो चीन से फ्रॉम चीन टू इंडिया, तिब्बत वाया तिब्बत एंड नेपाल, तिब्बत से नेपाल होते हुए. नाउ हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ प्लेसेस लाइक अजमेर शरीफ, मदुरई, सांची, वाराणसी, सारनाथ और हलेबिद. नाउ कैन यू नेम सम अदर प्लेसेस लाइक दिस? क्या आपको इस तरह के और कोई जगहों के नाम याद हैं या आप उनके नाम बता सकते हैं? What do the surroundings of a holy place in your city look like? Think about it as you read Vikram Seth's description of Kathmandu. तो उन पवित्र जगहों पर जो आपकी सिटी में हैं, तो उनकी सराउंडिंग्स किस तरह की दिखती है, तो आपको उसके बारे में सोचना है. और जब आप विक्रम सेठ की इस डिस्क्रिप्शन के बारे में जो काठमांडू का है उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, तो आप इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं हाउ यू एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग्स और द थिंग्स व्हाट यू सी ऑन योर द होली प्लेस इन योर सिटी. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी स्टार्ट अवर लेसन नंबर 10 काठमांडू, which is written by Vikram Seth. And in this story, Vikram Seth gives an account of his visit to Kathmandu in Nepal. He visited two temples in Kathmandu, Pashupatinath temple and the Buddhanath Stoop. He presents to us a contrast between the two. Now at Pashupatinath temple, only Hindus are allowed to enter. There is an atmosphere of great din and noise and confusion. Now we can see priests, hawkers, tourists, birds and animals roaming through the grounds. Now different types of activities like quarrels, fighting, cremation, offerings can be seen. But on the other hand, there is perfect peace at the Buddhanath Stoop, the Buddhist shrine of Kathmandu. There are no crowds there. Only Tibetan immigrants can be seen selling their wares. Here students, in this picture you see the Pashupatinath temple of Kathmandu. The Pashupatinath temple of Kathmandu. Now he decided to go back home by air because he is feeling quite tired. He is especially attracted by a flute seller playing on his flute from time to time. He thinks that a flute is a universal musical instrument. He even translates its notes into phrases and sentences. Every country, Japan, China, South America, India, has her own kind of flute. It seems to be common to all mankind and has living breath as its motive force. Never had he noticed bansuri and its music in such details as he has done during this visit to Kathmandu. Students, here the description of his journey of Kathmandu, where he visit the two temples Pashupatinath and the Buddhanath Stoop of Kathmandu. And there are so many things there which attracts the writer Vikram Seth, and he is very lively description of the Kathmandu Bazaar. So students, you have to read this lesson and try to understand it.